How to use Target gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use Target gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically use your Target gift card online, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your browser, and then you just want to go to target.com. and once you go to target.com, you will see this type of interface where first of all you want to make sure to add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Then tap the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the cart icon from here, you will be able to see this type of interface in this case. So let us just wait until this cart has been loaded up successfully. Now once you come to the cart option, you will be able to find the checkout. From the checkout you can select the card, or you can just tap the profile icon here and instead go to the option called gift cards. Once you go to gift cards, you can add a gift card by tapping the plus button here, and then all you have to do is enter the gift card number, access number, tap the add button, and next time whenever you're shopping, you can simply use a gift card that will get saved to your account. This way you'll be able to use Target gift card online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.